Hi, my name is Sadari Bagas, and today I am going to present about the Fintech. First of all, there is an overview, and this slide is made by Albert Wang. First of all, when the idea came into mind, the various people think, especially the programmers. Here is a friend of the programmer. He said, "I think we should build a blockchain." Does he understand what he said, or is it something he saw in the trade magazine ad? Actually, he's watching a trade magazine, and he said that the people just watch the magazine from here and just go to that place in order to buy that. But he said, "What color do you like that blockchain?" He's surprised from his idea. He said, "What are you talking about?" He said, "I wanted to build a blockchain where the people pay online instead of going outside to pay physical." Then we have a little bit information about Fintech. The word fin actually derived from the word finance, and tech means technology, which means the new technology industry that implies technology to improve the financial activities. Then we have the global investment in the fintech companies. As you can see clearly that from the 2010 to 2017 there is a huge change in the society, that the people are moving the towards the income, towards the online income. And there are some unicorns. Unicorns mean that the online payment systems that have still running, and the most famous one running in India currently, which name is Paytm. But nowadays, as we are already know that PayPal is the most important part of our life. Then we have the Fintech universe, which means that the which things are came in the Fintech universe. As you can see, there is a payments, digital banking, investments. Investments mean the online investments, and the many other things, cryptocurrency, as we are aware of the Bitcoin, which is the very high prices rises since the 2015, even 2 point it's about 2.5, I think it's about 25 cents at that time, but now his price is rise in the past few months more than 50,000. No doubt there is a big inflection rate as well, but so far it's a good running currency. And then we have the infrastructure and the key tech. These are actually the some things where this technique is applied, that this technique is also used in the data science and analytics. And the cyber security, of course, is the major issue, because in order to protect from the hackers, the software engineers have to think hard. And then we have payments. Payments is actually the system of payments that we are used online. And there is a Tim Cook. He said, "Would you like to see it one more time? You may have blinked and missed." Then we have we are here with the famous PayPal, which is not currently working in Pakistan, but as we know that there is a system Pioneer which is linked with the Just Cash, and this is very famous for Pakistan and have a great opportunity to earn online. No doubt it's not much preferable, but so far it's not a market king, but it is a market king for the Pakistan. Then we have the Apple payment system, which is the online. Actually, there is a no credit card information is ever stored on iPhone servers, even in the encrypted form. Encrypted form means that there are usually hackers, usually the companies like Samsung and many other. They have the information of their customer in the form of the encrypted file, and they can easily assess their customer and they sell the information to the hackers. That's why it's mostly people exposed. Then we have EMT tokenization. Actually, it's a special kind of payment system. After the biometric verification, this payment system works. And then this is a tokenization where the customer go to the merchant and then the acquirer and then go to the network, and this cash is ultimately flow to the bank in or out. And then we have a token wallet just like a Bitcoin. And there is a cashless and beyond. Absolutely, having a cash in your pocket is always having a fear on your head that where you are going to put this cash. You have a risk to put in anything, and people are afraid of theft. But now it's a very secure system of the payment. We have chosen it yet because now we have online access to our payment instead of physical, and it's not a big deal to handle such kind of smartphone. And then we have some digital banking system, and as famous Bill Gates, as you already know, in 1994 he said banking is necessary but banks are not. He's talking about the investment, that why are you putting he's actually uh, guiding the people that why are they putting their money in the banks. Instead they can earn more than that with the various things like investing in bitcoins. And then there is a still banking but better: money deposit, withdrawals and transfer, checking or saving management, applying for the financial products. And then we have the loan management system which is online now. Then we have the bill pay and account services. And same, there are some banks who are offering the customers to open an online bank account for their convenience, and they can withdraw their money at any time. Especially the Switzerland bank is very famous for this purpose. Then we have the investment system. In the investment system, the digital wealth have evolution, online portfolio, and there are the different links where the management manage their customer payment system easily. And then we have the keyjacks. Keyjacks mean that these techniques are majorly used in the fintech yet, and furthermore it is also used for crowdfunding. For it means that people can get their payments at home, and we can also see that the YouTubers have the receive their money directly into their bank account instead of going outside and waiting in a long line for receiving the money. And then we have a famous quote: don't ever underestimate what 1% generosity will do. Wow, that's a famous quote. And these are some models of the crowdfunding. Then we have P2P lending. P2P lending means they're actually usually it is concerned with the people who are offering some other person, and in the response they receive some money, which is usually in the form of commission. Then we have blockchain and cryptocurrency. Little information about that. And we have wires in the numerous, strengths in the number, and you can see the famous log of the Bitcoin. And then we have the blockchain explained a little bit. Then we have the decentralized system. Decentralized means that the information is directly proportional to or have the direct access to the top level manager. Then we have the cryptography seals, means that they don't give the other person much information about anything because of many hacking issue. And then we have the some blockchain structure that you can see. It is easily understandable that the money will just people are investing continuously. And then there is a graph of the blockchain where the people buy the blockchain in whole the world, and it connected the world together. And we have a broader application that you can see that there is a further changes in the application as well. And then we have the insurance tech as well. As we know that insurance tech is the very plays an important role in the society. In order to fulfill the need of the modern era, the insurance tech plays an important role. And then we have the insurtech ecosystem. Yes, there are the various insurance company who are providing the sources of the insurance, and you can see that there is a big blockchain of that. And there is an insurtech ecosystem in China, and regulation and tech means that there are certain rules to use this technology online. We and there is a PayPal famous comment: "We are the people want our money safer than our selfies." Yes, of course, everybody want to save their payments. I like this comment. And these are some regulation tech as well. And thank you very much for your attention. If you have any question related to that, you can let me know. Goodbye.